Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see on my computer screen, this is a cow and typography combination design. It's very simple but very colorful. And I'm gonna talk just let's begin today. So what we need to do is just select all the things first and a little bit smaller. Keep to the corner side for the more clear about this logo today. So what we need to do, I just go to the dashboard and select as typing type tool. So I hover over here and it just put here. So I need to just type cow. Yes, it's done. So I need a little bit bigger to more clear this object, the spelling. So what we need to do, I just needed to create outline. Yes, outline. And I needed to the ungroup. Yes. So just a little bit bigger. I think it's bigger. So I just select for one and go to over here with connect over here like that. And I need to also move this one to the proper side. Yeah. See? Yes. It's good. Fantastic. So what I need, I just need an object to the upside, and I think it will be more better. So I copy the link or copy the image and go to the over here. Just push past over here, and I need trans all the things and expand and just ungroup all the things and just unnecessary delete the unnecessary things. So I need to just go over here, arrange or not arrange, transform and reflect and okay. The magic, all these things are magic. So you can see again what it is this magic. This limited time for a few minutes. It will be clear. So I need a little bit bigger there. Yes, I think it's okay. A little bit upper side. I think it's okay. So just now I need to now just to select all the things, go Tribula tool and select the black color. This press over here. And I need to also change this color, white color, just to like that. And I need to go to the color again. I just to put over here like that. I think like that. It will be more better. I think it's okay. So here guys, I need again go to the over here. It's okay. And also I think okay, so I need to cut unnecessary things already cut, and I think just like that. That'll be, yes, okay, it's done, and good job. So I need a little bit here, just like that. That, okay, then a little bit here, like that. Okay, so it's done. So I need to just change the color. I think that's okay. So I need to just change this all the color like that. This one and that one, and I think this one. Uh, okay. So another thing is that like that. Okay, it's okay. Thing it's done. So these all are fantastic design. The same to same, no difference between that one. So these are all. Thanks to watch.